Today's video is an induction to my rolling skincare project 10 pan. Let's get into it to see what I'm starting it off with. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Don't mind me, I'm in my pyjamas, I'm feeling in a snuggly mood, I'm a bit chilly, I'm very tired, so it's fuzzy pyjamas with a hood up kind of night. But yeah, today's video I am going to be doing the induction to my rolling project skincare 10 pan. These are the products here. We are going to go through them. So as I go through each product, at the bottom of the screen here I will put how much their starting weight is at the beginning of obviously this induction, and we'll have updates every month to see how we're getting on. It's probably going to be towards the middle to end of every month. The last check-in will be January 2024. Oh my god, that feels horrible saying that. On my community page here on YouTube, I asked the question, would people be interested in me doing a project 10 pan with skincare? And I had three options. One was just no and the other two was yes, with products that are nearly used up to get them finished off, and the other one was yes to do it on minis. I believe that the winning one was the products that need using up, so that's what we're going to do. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if I manage to get through products that are nearly used up and I'm on to full products, what I'll do, I'll probably move on to minis then. Just to give you an example, here is one of the products. You can see sort of, where is it there, this it's up to here. When this is done and finished with, it'll be getting rolled out and a new product will be getting rolled in. Yes, I'm very excited. I have a lot of products to get through, to be honest. My skincare collection is a lot but yes, let's go through all 10 products. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. So now I've brought you in closer, the first product we're going to be starting with is this. It is by the brand Vitamasques, and it is a pineapple gommage peeling gel, a gentle botanical cellulose exfoliator. 20 mils in here, or there was in any way. It's about, I think it's about up to here, so very nearly there. Obviously I have used this before because it's nearly finished, and it was actually ages ago and I'm having trouble remembering what it was like. I think I liked it. I love exfoliating products, maybe too much, but yes, product number one. Number two is this. This is by the brand Pixi, and this is their Skin Treats Botanical Collagen Tonic. Yes, I obviously have used a lot of this. It's about up to here, and I really like using this. I can't use it too often because it can be a bit much for my skin. Every now and then, it depends, because one minute my skin is very delicate and I have to be really careful with it. Other times I can just bash it around and stuff. Bash it around? You know what I mean. But yeah, who likes Pixi products? It's kind of really affordable, but yeah, really good products. So yeah, number two. Product number three I have is this. So this is by the brand Probiotic by Doctor's Formula. I love Doctor's Formula products. One of my favourite brands out there. Absolutely adore their skincare. Can be expensive, can be very expensive, but oh so good. And this is the 12-hour day protection moisturiser. This has very little in, if I'm honest, very little. So yes, I need to get it used up. It just says apply in the morning after cleansing and applying your serum. So yeah, number three. Product number four, we have this. So this is by the brand Able Skincare, Able Skincare London, and it's an anti-aging, retexturizing and resurfacing duo moisturiser. On the back here it just says apply in the evening after cleansing and apply in your serum. So yeah, I had to get a night moisturiser in here too. Able Skincare, again, very, very expensive, but I really like it, really like it. This has about that much left in. I'd say it's just under half, I think. It feels it. But as I say, I'm going to weigh everything in anyway. So yeah, product number 4. Product number 5 I have is this. So this is by the brand Estée Lauder. I've had loads of these in the past and I've used them all up and they've been fantastic. It is Advanced Night Repair, so again you just use it on a night time. This is beautiful on the skin. I've used about a quarter of it. So with it being small in any way, it just means that yes, I've only used a quarter of it, but there's only a little bit left to go. So I had to put that in there. I need a bit of bouginess. Although saying that, them two products, they're quite expensive. They are bougie in themselves. But yeah, I had to get this in. Product number 5. Product number 6 we have is this. This is by the brand Doctor's Cosmeceuticals, which is Doctor's formula. And this is from their Power Active range. And it is their turmeric lotion. Basically, I got this about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I think, so relatively quite new, and I started using it straight away and there's about half of it left. I've been loving it, and I thought, you know, let's just pop it in here, let's keep on using it and get it finished because I'm halfway there already. With this one it says to use morning and night, and yeah, my skin, I think, has been really liking it, so yeah, let's keep it going. Product number 6. Product number 7 I've got is this. So this is by the brand Skin Chemists London, and it is a Youth Series Green Caviar Eye Serum. This is, I think I'm halfway through it, I think. And yeah, I thought this would be good to put in here. Again, this is morning and evening, so hopefully we can get this used up quick. But obviously with eye products, we are only literally just putting it under the eyes, so I'm thinking it might take a little bit longer, but we'll see. Product number 7. Product number 8 we have is this. So this is by the brand Monuskin, and it's a Rosewood Reviving Mist. I am about, yeah, I think I've used about a quarter of this actually. It's a nice little size, hopefully I can get it used quick. Basically I can put this on before makeup, I can put it on after makeup. You can use this as a little setting spray as well, which is fantastic. So hopefully, yeah, because we can use it before and after makeup, shouldn't take long to get this used at all. It's really nice. The mister on this is so fine. And yes, it does have a rose scent. Obviously it's rosewood. If you're not liking the rose scent, you won't like this, but it's really refreshing and gorgeous on the skin. So yeah, product number 8. Product number 9 I have is this. So this is by the brand Lush. It was part of a body collection my friend got me for Christmas, and this is body lotion, and it is Snow Fairy. This is absolutely gorgeous. So it just says, smother yourself in candy floss and embrace all of the amazing things about you. This smells so sweet. I mean, that's how much I've got left. Not a lot at all. That smell is so addictive. So yes, absolutely love this. One thing I do have to, I've got that everywhere. One thing you do have to watch with this, or I do in any way, when I put it on, I've noticed once I've put it all over my body and I've slathered myself up, it can tint my hands a little bit, which really doesn't bother me if I'm honest, but if you've got this, just a little warning. But yes, I can smell it. Oh, it's just so good, so good. So yeah, product number 9. The 10th and final product I've got is this. Had to get something for lips in. So this is by the brand Avant Skincare, and this is a highly replenish lip balm. I think there's about that much left in there, so I'm over halfway through it. It's nice on the lips. One thing I wish though, when you put it on, it feels gorgeous, but it doesn't seem to last a while on your lips, although my lips can get quite dry, so it's probably just drinking it up straight away. So yes, I want to leave this out and actually like start putting this on my lips more, because yeah, my lips at the minute are so dry. So yeah, last 10th product. Let's have a little recap. These are the products that I've chosen for my 10-pan rolling skincare project. We have the Vitamasques Pineapple Gommage. We've got the Pixi Collagen Tonic. We've got the probiotic Doctor's Formula 12-hour protection moisturiser. We've got the Able Skincare London anti-aging retexturing and resurfacing duo moisturiser. We've got the Estée Lauder advanced night repair. We've got the Doctor's Formula Power Active Turmeric Lotion. We've got the Skin Chemists Youth Series Green Caviar Eye Serum. We've got the Monuskin Reviving Mist. We've got the Lush Body Lotion. And we have the Avant Skincare Hydro Replenish Lip Balm. So yeah guys, let me know your thoughts on what I've got here. Have you tried some of these products yourself? If so, what have you thought of them? Comment it down below. If not, is there anything here that you haven't tried yet and you actually would like to try? Are they on your wish list? Again, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.